Hi, I'm Diane Grover, Cosmetic Chemist Trainer and Assessor here with the Institute of Personal Care Science. Today I'm going to show you how to make a purifying clay face mask. Now let me show you just how easy it is. Today we are making this purifying clay face mask, which has kaolin clay in it and alpine halmar extract in it to help you clear your skin of impurities for a clearer complexion. We will begin with the water phase where we will add some chelating agent. And then I'm just going to slurry some xanthan in some glycerin. And we can just pop the gelled water on the heat and heat to between 80 and 85 degrees. Once the water phase is hot, you can add the lipid phase directly to the hot water phase. I'm using a combination of non-ionic and anionic surfactants along with some caprylic capric triglycerides and some coneflower oil to soothe and condition the skin while supporting the skin's natural moisture barrier, so it will leave the skin feeling soft after the mask has been rinsed off. The reason that we don't heat the lipids before we add it to the water phase when there's a low lipid input is because we run the risk of burning the lipids when it's such a small input. So we add it straight to the hot water phase to reduce the risk of burning. Once the waxy emulsifiers have melted and you have a smooth emulsion, you can take it off the heat and continue stirring as you cool to below 40 degrees before we add in the heat sensitive material. Now that my emulsion is below 40 degrees, I can add in the heat-sensitive material. I'm using an antioxidant to protect the coneflower oil from oxidation, and I'm also using a broad-spectrum preservative to protect my mask from microbial contamination. For the clay, I'm using kaolin clay, which absorbs excess oil from the surface of the skin and gently removes dirt, pollutants, and other impurities. I'm also using some alpine halmar extract, which is a 100% natural extract that enhances the integrity of the skin barrier while promoting anti-irritant, anti-acne, anti-pollution, and anti-aging properties. Once that's all mixed together and your mask is below 25 degrees, you can check and adjust the pH to suit the skin. Once you are happy with your pH, you can cover the face mask and set it aside to reach its full viscosity overnight. And then when we come back, we have this beautiful purifying clay mask that gets the colour from the alpine halmar extract. And it also contains kaolin clay to help you have a beautiful clear complexion. See, and that's how easy it is to make a purifying clay face mask. If you like today's formula, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to receive notifications on videos just like this, and email us at info@personalcarescience.com.au for all our free formulas. Happy formulating!